Well, folks, I've got some good news and some bad news. The good news is that our brave American troops were victorious in Corto Maltese, and the Soviets have completely withdrawn. Bad news is, well, looks like those Russians are some mighty sore losers.
Corto Maltese, where 50,000 U.S. troops are stationed, along with the 2 million citizens of the small island. But the larger questions on everyone's minds are whether this is the first strike in a full-scale nuclear attack and whether the U.S. has begun retaliation. We are getting reports that the missile has changed course and will now detonate over an...